So hope you guys are doing good. Okay, so we'll finish this tail bracket mounting in this video. Okay, so what I going to doing is I'll make a separate bracket. Okay, like we have did something here, right? So the same thing that we are going to doing there also, but it is a separate member. So here we have builded it, but here we are not going to building it. Okay, we are making it as a separate member. So what we can do? So open add a new part. Fine. And let's check these values once again. Okay, which is 148, fine, 74. Okay, what I'll do, I'll 140 to 78. What I'll do, I'll just make a one bracket like this way. Okay, and make sure these two are equal to each other. And this length I'll keep 140. So there I have 142. I'm keeping here 140 so that the 1 mm will be the clearance. And this is 48, right? So I'll keep 46. Okay, fine. Now exit, Control 7. Go to sheet metal, base flange. So here the question is how the length it should be. Okay, okay 300 I'll keep. Okay, fine. And this side, one side I'm going to developing. Okay, sketch. Sorry, rectangle. Collinear. Exit. Control 7. Sheet metal base flange. 6 mm. Reverse direction. Click on OK. Okay, and then sketch. Select one line. The same thing how we have did that head stringer. So we'll have to do the same thing here also, but with the different values. Okay, at least I need a 450, right? So base flange, I need direction 1, 450, enter. Fine, this is fine. Okay, if I build this part, this plate like this way, it won't withstand, right? So we'll have to provide some reinforcements. So let's go for that. Okay, base flange, and direction 1 to surface, set this. That's it. Okay, okay, fine. So now in this condition also, the blade won't withstand. There will be a most of the chances of tearing here. So the building break will be happens here. So in order to avoid those problems, we can have a gusset here. Go to element, we'll be having a gusset option. These two faces and this fine, and yeah, this fine. Or else we can move a little like that. Fine. And let's update the gusset values. Yeah, yeah, this fine. I'll keep 10 only. Okay. I'll increase this also. Yeah. Now it seems like it can withstand more loads. Okay, I'll add a few more gussets. Okay, at here with the different dimensions. Okay, 10 enter. Okay, now go to features, linear pattern, and bodies. I'll select this gusset, the direction. I choose any edge I'll specify I want 5 gazets, and the distance, I don't know exact distance value. I can increase the values like this way. Yes, fine. Okay. Similarly, I'll make a one more plate here also. Exit. Sorry. We'll have to use the sheet metal base plan option. 6 reverse direction. Click on OK. Okay. And here I'll make one small hole. Okay. I'll make hole directly with the hole command. Okay. Hole. Select this position. Select this like this. The center. This. Select. Okay. Okay. Type M20. I'll go for M30. Okay. So up to next only. Okay. Let's blind. Okay. 20 is enough. Okay. Now this is a clearance screw. The back side I want to build one screw on nut. So how can I do that? I think okay, I can delete this line. I can specify the length. Okay, 30 I'll keep. Exit. Yeah, is fine. So what I'll do? Okay, okay, let's take it as 28. I'm 28. 26. Okay, fine. Okay, so you bracket. Where does it go? Select this, right click, isolate. You will be seeing your part. Okay, load it, drag it, exit from the isolate. Okay, now thing is, yeah, these we can use other direction here. Okay, so this. Okay, okay. This weight can easily slide, so, but I want to increase this length. Keep 500. Okay, fine. And this plate also. Okay, I, okay. Let's keep it like this. We'll change the this bracket only. Okay, there's no any physical data available for this, so we'll increase this value 165. Update. Is it updated here also? Yeah, now it is completely gone inside. That is what I want. This length is not enough, so I'm getting too much space, so which is 11 mm on this side and 11 mm on this side. Okay, 22. I'll have to increase 20 so that 1 mm each side I will be having clearance plus 20. Update. That's it. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. Control 7. Okay. The same thing on opposite direction also. So you know how can I do that, right? Okay. Don't depend on that. Want mirror tool. Okay. This hole I can even make this more now. On this hole I'll go for M30 now. Okay, fine. Which is enough. Okay. I'll make little chamfer in the end so that it won't create the sharp edge. Sorry, not here. Fine. Yeah. 20 mm. We'll keep like that. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, let's create one plane. Okay, I think we have already a plane here. Okay. Mirror pan components. Plane is already selected. Part. I want this like that. That's it. The next thing is we'll have to position this strength. Select that and this. Okay. The simple thing that I want to tell you is see, this will okay, let's take that number block. Now I have the provision to mount this tail pulley to this conveyor. Okay, so this face, coincidence, that's fine. This number block is being too big. Okay, we'll reduce this dimensions. Okay, 400 and this length 120. Update. Okay, okay, fine. This number block is quite good enough to see also. Okay, this radius I will go for 30. Okay, fine. Width is also which is now 100, so I can't change it now. So 100 mm, it is a minimum value, so we can't avoid it. Okay, let it be. Okay, Okay, now the purpose would be this. So whenever the belt is like this, so this is the minimum condition. Okay, so whenever the belt will be jointed, that has to be done in this condition. So later, if the belt it seems like little loose, I can move this little outwards so that the belt will get tightened. Okay, so this will possible as long as you have this length. Okay, that is what you can control right from here. So right now we have kept it 500. I'll keep it as 700 now. And one more thing I want to discuss. This movement is cannot done by like this only, right? So whenever you keep like this and the belt is there means it will always stretch this like this way. So whenever you kept a tighten position like this, you will have to lock it, and even before locking it, you need to stretch like this way, right? So how you stretch it? So that's why this stud will come to play. Okay, so how can we make this stud? Okay, so like this and this. Okay, 100 on the direction. Sorry. Okay, okay, let's delete that constraint that we have given. Okay, delete. Okay, okay, distance I'll keep 100. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll add one nut. M30 nut here. Sorry, bolt. M30. Okay, fine, right. I'll add one more. Okay, so that now these are locked. Now the strut is even locked. Okay, that's fine. But the here issue is when I tightening it. Yeah. Okay. So how we can do here? Take. I'll add one more or two more M30 bolts here. Nuts here. Okay, fine. Right. Okay, I'll have to extract a profile of this. Sketch. Select the convert entities. Okay. Okay. From here to here, how much distance? 50. That's enough. Here, no, 50. So open the start once. Sketch. Hexagon. From here to here, 50 it is. Okay. I'll keep any on line as vertical. That's it. The sketch is fully constrained. Okay, because of thread only, it is taking that time. Okay. Not mid plane, line. Okay. 30 is enough, I think. So okay, I'll delete this thread, guys, because it is taking so much time to load it. So okay, so I'll just suppress it. Okay, now sketch, select a circle, draw a circle like this way, and select this edge, this circle, tangent, exit, and cut extrude, and flip outwards, and go for draft. Okay, fine. Okay, now seems like good. Okay, 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 fine. Now it is okay. These were spanner holding like that way. Okay, so okay, sketch, sketch. I'll make one build plate here like this way. Okay, 60, 60. Okay, center point. Uh, okay, where's this center point? Okay, the center point. Okay, fine. And from here to this edge, I'll keep 600. Not enough. Okay, I'll keep 800. Okay, and this value keep 50 or else 45, enter. Double click 45, enter. And this value will keep 60, enter. Exit. Okay, increase the value 40 mm in unit at least. Okay, 50 mm I'll take. Okay, 80. Update. Okay, okay, now you understood, right? So if I have a one more nut here, so when I'm rotating it, okay, it will get pushed this thing. Okay, so to lock it, okay, this is supposed to the tap hole, but then only it will be possible like this one. So this, okay, this is the basic requirement of this conveyor base. Okay, and then the mechanical aspects are not completed yet. Okay, the conveyor has to be in inclined way, so 18 degrees or 24 degrees like that way it will be inclined. So we need to provide a legs at a suitable location so that it won't bend while it's operation. And then after also I have to drive this, right? That means the driving operation should be done by this head pulley only. So I need a motor here. So motor alone cannot run the entire conveyor because uh, this requires a lots of to power and torque to rotate this entire system. So what we have to do is we don't have to go for that much of big motor. A small motor is enough with a proper gearbox. Okay. So gearbox I'll try to download from the net. Okay. The next video we're going to see that. And the motor model also if we are trying to mount a motor where we can put that motor. That is what the question now. Okay. Okay. That's all about. Okay, we have completed up till now, which is quite good enough. Okay. So let's take leave now. We'll see about the remaining things in the next video. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.